Off the coast of Japan, shrouded in mystery, lies Yonaguni Island. It's a place where the Pacific Ocean whispers tales of the past. Beneath the waves, a secret sleeps. A massive stone structure known as the Yonaguni Monument rests on the seabed. Its origins are unknown, a puzzle for scientists and dreamers alike. Divers in the 1980s stumbled upon this underwater enigma. It was a breathtaking sight. The structure rose from the ocean floor, a series of platforms, walls, and steps. Could this be the work of human hands, lost to time? Or had nature sculpted this marvel? The discovery of the Yonaguni Monument sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community and beyond. Was this evidence of a lost civilization, more ancient than we could imagine? The mystery beckoned, drawing researchers and adventurers to its depths. Imagine descending into the turquoise waters. As you dive deeper, the sunlight fades. Then, out of the blue, a shape emerges. It's the Yonaguni Monument, a majestic structure carved from solid rock. The monument's features are striking. Smooth, straight walls rise from the seabed. Steps, some as high as a person, lead to different levels. There are terraces, platforms, and even what appears to be a star-shaped pool. It's hard to believe that nature alone could create such precise formations. Those who believe it's man-made point to the intricate details. The right angles, the smooth surfaces, and the seemingly deliberate arrangement of the stones all hint at human intervention. Some researchers even claim to have found markings that resemble tools and carvings. Could the Yonaguni Monument be the legacy of a civilization lost to the sea? It's a tantalizing thought. Imagine a thriving culture thousands of years ago building cities and monuments. Then disaster strikes, swallowing their world beneath the waves. Proponents of the man-made theory point to the monument's resemblance to other ancient structures. The stepped pyramids of Mesoamerica, the megalithic temples of Malta, the underwater ruins off the coast of India all share some similarities with Yonaguni. Could there be a connection? Professor Masaki Kimura, a marine geologist, has spent years studying the monument. He believes it's a man-made structure, at least 10,000 years old. Kimura points to the presence of what he believes are roads, canals, and even a stadium within the complex. Section 4. Nature's Architects, a Geological Perspective. Not everyone is convinced that the Yonaguni Monument is the work of human hands. Some scientists argue that nature, with its immense power and artistry, is the true architect. They point to the geology of the region. Yonaguni Island lies in an earthquake-prone zone. The movement of tectonic plates could have fractured the sandstone, creating the straight lines and right angles that resemble human construction. Furthermore, the type of sandstone found at the site is known to break naturally in straight lines. The erosion caused by currents, waves, and marine life could have further shaped the rock into its present form. Geologist Dr. Robert Schoch, a skeptic of the man-made theory, argues that the formations are consistent with natural processes. He believes that the steps are simply natural terraces created by erosion. Section 5. Yonaguni, an enigma for the ages. The debate over the origins of the Yonaguni Monument continues to rage. Is it a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors, or a breathtaking example of nature's artistry? Perhaps the answer lies somewhere in between. It's possible that natural formations served as the foundation, and humans, with their innate creativity, enhanced and modified the site to suit their needs. Whatever the truth may be, the Yonaguni Monument remains a source of wonder and speculation. It's a reminder of the mysteries that lie hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be discovered. The allure of the unknown draws us to places like Yonaguni. We long to unravel the secrets of the past, to connect with those who came before us. And as we explore the depths, we're reminded that our planet holds wonders yet to be revealed.